In summary, 33 CFR 164.46, a self-propelled vessel, any self-propelled vessel, regardless of size, type, method of propulsion, horsepower, and regardless of any other equipment carriage requirements or exemptions, if engaged in the movement of paragraph B1VA, certain dangerous cargo, as defined in subpart C of 33 CFR 160, or paragraph B1VB, flammable or combustible liquid cargo, that is listed in 46 CFR 30.25-1, must have AIS. And finally, don't forget, engaged in the movement of is not the same as carrying. Recall the example of the anhydrous ammonia ship under tow. Both the ship and the tug are engaged in the movement of certain dangerous cargo, and therefore both are required to carry AIS.